Last one we're doing for today. Okay, we have another complex number. We have a 1 plus a 2i. If we have a 1 plus 2i, then that means I must also have a 1 minus 2i. Okay? 1 minus 2i. So these are my factors, or solutions that I need to write as factors. So I have x plus 2 and x minus 3. Okay, now when I subtract this whole thing over, remember it's going to be 1 minus 1, x. I'm crazy. X minus 1 plus 2i. And x minus 1 minus 2i. When I work my math magic, I'm going to group together the x minus 1s so that I have the nice shortcut that we like to take. These are exactly the same. The only difference is one is plus, one is minus. So my first terms are the same. My second terms, only difference is one is plus, one is minus. So we get to take the shortcut. So my first two factors have been untouched. I have not done anything with them. But I am going to multiply my first terms and my last terms. So using a box, I have x minus 1, x minus 1. We just did this one. I get x squared minus x, and 1. So I'm left with x squared minus 2x plus 1. I'm going to do my blue off to the side. Negative 2i times 2i. Negative 2 times 2 gives me the negative 4. I times I is I squared. We know I squared is negative 1, so negative 4 times negative 1 gives us positive 4. So I'm going to add 4 onto the end of this. So I have x plus 2, x minus 3, x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, a couple boxes and we'll be done. I'm going to go ahead and multiply my first two factors now, but you can multiply them in any order. Okay, so I have x plus 2, x minus 3, get x squared, 2x, and negative 3x, negative 6. So this will become x squared minus x when I combine those like terms, minus 6 times x squared minus 2x plus 5. Last but not least, we'll do one more box. This is a big one. It's a 3 by 3. 3 by 3. X squared minus x minus 6. X squared minus 2x and 5. So filling out this entire grid, we got x to the 4th minus x to the 3rd minus 6x squared. Negative 2x to the 3rd. 2x squared. 12x. 5x squared minus 5x, and what is that? Negative 30. Okay, I have lots of like terms. Okay, if you look, I have x to the 3rds to combine. I have a bunch of x squareds to combine. And I have 2 x's to combine. Okay, so this is going to make my final answer. My polynomial p of x is going to be x to the 4th minus 3x to the 3rd, adding those yellows. 5 plus 2 minus 6 is 1 plus x squared plus 7x, and then finally minus 30. Here is our polynomial. with all of those factors. That is the fundamental theorem of algebra.